I just made something called lemon brownies. Can you even call it a brownie if it's made with lemons? I don't know. Are you ready? Let's go. Preheat your oven to 350. Line a 9x9 or 10x10 pan with parchment. What you need is some parchment. I sprayed this pan, or you can use water. A viewer told me you could put water in the pan to make this stick to it. And I always do this. Like that. You need 1 cup, 2 sticks of butter, melted and then cooled. I'm gonna go melt mine in the microwave. Put them into a big bowl. Add in 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. This recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, which is from about 3 lemons. I don't have any lemons. Instead, I'm going to use this product, and I'll put the name of this product in the recipe, but here, in case you want to screenshot it, this is it. 2 tablespoons. Whisk the butter, sugar, and lemon zest until it's fluffy. Like that. Add in 1 large egg and 1 egg yolk. And yes, this is my Tupperware egg separator. 1 egg yolk. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1/2 teaspoon of lemon extract. It's got, ooh, a little too much. It's gonna be really lemony. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir well. Wow, this smells really good. In a separate bowl, get 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna whisk those all together and then put it with the wet ingredients. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix just until combined. So the name of this recipe is lemon brownies. I was talking with somebody about that, and they're like, can you call them brownies if they're lemon? I don't know. Does brownies imply color? I don't know. What do you all think? I know that somebody in the comments is gonna say, it doesn't really matter. Why are you even wasting your breath talking about it? I don't know, I'm just curious. Don't get on me about what I'm curious about. And then press them into the pan. Y'all hear my dogs barking? We installed a door yesterday on our back door with a dog door in it. And then they can just come and go as they want. And they just love it, and so do I. Because ordinarily, if they'd have to go out, they'd have to go ring the bell. We have a set of bells on the back door. And then I'd have to get up and go let them out. But now, we've got a storm door with a dog door on it, and they can just come and go as they want. It's great. I might go try what another viewer told me to do, to get another 8x10 pan and stick it and just push it down. I'm gonna try that. Let me go get that. All right, I'm gonna give that a try. Let me spray this so it doesn't stick. I'm excited. All right. Uh-oh. Hey, that's not too bad. Let me set this aside. Not too bad. I'm gonna wash my hands and then I'm gonna press out the rest with my fingers. Well, I'd say that that little trick worked pretty well. So whoever told me that in the comments, yay. There, it's all pressed in. Bake at 350 for 28 to 32 minutes. I just took mine out of the oven. They were in there for 30 minutes and the toothpick came out clean, so these are done. And now they have to cool, and I'll go ahead and make the lemon glaze. For the glaze, you need 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You need 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. I have no lemons, so I'm going to use this product. 1 teaspoon. And a pinch of salt. So you just mix it all up. Okay, the glaze is all mixed up like that. And now I just have to wait for the lemon brownies to finish cooling. Now before I continue, I want to tell you something. Remember when I put that egg yolk into the batter? And I was supposed to put a large egg as well? After I put it in the oven, I saw the large egg. So I forgot to put the large egg in with the batter. However, with the baking soda and the salt interacting with the egg yolk and the lemon, it should be enough to make it right. You saw how high those raised, so I think it'll be all right. But next time I make these, if there's a next time, I'll make sure I put that egg in there. So if you make this, don't make the mistake I made. Put your egg in the batter. Wow. That glaze is amazing. That glaze mixed with all that lemon inside. This is good. Would I make this again? I definitely would make this again, and I hope that you guys make that. Yum. The full recipe can be found pinned in the comments or in the video description.